Relaxation is the key to unlocking all that you desire. To utilize the law of attraction effectively, you need to have a calm mind. To succeed in your manifestation journey, below is a relaxation exercise worth considering to prepare your mind. Relaxing into a meditative state. Find a quiet place to sit or lie down comfortably. This exercise will last for about 15 to 25 minutes. Also, it is advisable to wear a comfortable clothes without shoes. Now, breathe deeply and slowly through your abdomen for 5 seconds, then breathe out gently. Again, inhale and feel your body expanding as you breathe in. Afterward, exhale and feel how your body is contracting as you breathe out. Ensure that you breathe naturally as you perform each step. While in this relaxed meditative state, try to focus on each part of your body. By the time you enter a deeply relaxed state, you will experience a feeling of tranquility across your entire body. Breathe normally with your eyes closed. Starting from your feet to your forehead, you will be relaxing your body from one part to another. To begin with, check how you feel in your feet. Is it a warm or cold feeling? Do you feel any sensation around the region? Regardless of the sensation, ensure that your feet are relaxed as you take each breath. Feel the contact between your feet and the ground or the socks. Now, shift your attention to your ankles and feel them. Inhale and exhale naturally while focusing on your ankles. Now, move up to the back of your knees and your calves, then focus on them. Check to feel a twitching in the regions, then breathe into them and allow your calves to relax. Afterward, focus your attention on your knees and shin. Try to feel the sensation in the regions. As you feel the areas, breathe into them. Any feeling of blankness in the regions should not bother you. It is alright to feel so. Use about 5 to 10 seconds in each region. The next part is your hamstrings. Feel any contact between your hamstrings and the floor or the clothing, then direct your breath into the area. Now, free the hamstrings to relax. Be conscious of your thighs and try to know the feeling in the region. Maintain the feeling and breathe normally. Allow the thighs to soften up with each exhalation. Move your focus to your buttocks. In the buttock, there are gluteal muscles, which contract when we are stressed. Breathe into the gluteal muscles and free them. Afterward, direct your focus to the pelvic region, then breathe naturally. Regardless of whatever you feel, maintain it, and free the area to soften up. Always keep in mind that the body will naturally allow a region of the body to relax when you focus your attention there. Be informed that belly is a smart organ that reacts to emotions as it deems fit. Shift your focus to it and feel the sensations. Now, breathe into the belly to soften it up. Move your attention to the lower back. Focus your breath in the region, then let it relax. Use about 5 seconds in your lower back before you proceed to the next step. Be aware of your chest and feel it as it expands while you inhale. Also, when you exhale, the chest will contract. While relaxing your chest muscles, feel the muscles softening. The next region is your upper back. Feel the back muscles, shoulder blades, and spine, then breathe into the upper back. Now, relax and spend 5 seconds in the region. Afterward, place your attention on your hands. From your fingers, palms, wrists, forearms to the elbows, endeavor to feel all of them. Use 5 seconds on your forearms, and 10 seconds on your fingers and palms. Now, proceed to the upper arms and feel the antecubital space of the elbows. Try to feel the armpits, biceps, and the triceps as you breathe into them. Then, allow the muscles to soften. Focus your attention on the shoulder and feel the tips of the area, then breathe. Proceed to your throat and allow the region to relax with each breath. Move your focus to the face, which is considered as the mirror of our mind. Our face reflects all our feelings. On the face, 42 specific facial muscles exist, which coordinate, develop, and synchronize our countless expressions. Place your attention on the face and feel your chin, lips, mouth, and jaw. On each part, spend 5 seconds. Direct your attention to your nose. Feel the coolness in your nostrils while you breathe in and the warmth when you breathe out. Pay attention to your nose bridge and bone. Feel your cheek and its bones, then breathe into them. Afterward, free the regions to soften up. Now, pay attention to your ears, and feel your hearing functionality. Be conscious of your eyes, including your eyelids that rest on your eyeballs. Also, feel your eyeballs relaxing within your eye sockets. The next part is your head. Focus on your hair follicles, thin muscles of the scalp and the skull bone, then feel them. Afterward, feel the internal part of your head, including your brain muscles, as they ease up while focusing on them. By now, you will experience a calming influence on your entire body. Try to feel and relish it. Take a few deep breaths after 20 seconds. Now, open your eyes and stretch both hands and legs. Finally, you are feeling refreshed and invigorated. Conclusion on relaxation and manifestation. Relax and relish the success of your manifestation journey.